gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gon' run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
On citizen participation, and you be easy now, like Nicodemus, where you want to steal our democratic right to choose a leader from our own. You should have been replicating, Mr. Holness, the directly elected mayor across the length and breadth of this country, giving the people a chance to select their leaders. And what have you done, Mr. Holness? Like Nicodemus, you're snatching away, railroading our democracy in Portmore. We will not stand for it. We will not stand for it. We will not stand for it. And just as how in February 2016, you promised that within 100 days you would have set election date. 9 years, 4 days after, we are not going to be waiting for that in Portmore to get a hospital, to get a local board of health, to get an examination depot, to get a morgue, to get a cemetery rather, right? And to get all the amenities that you keep on promising. Political gerrymandering must stop. The people of Portmore, we are too intelligent. We are too intelligent to be hoodwinked by you, Mr. Holness, and your administration. And for us to be brutally frank, not even the people on your side of the fence all came out to give this injustice to Portmore. Only a few came out because they know the truth that what they're doing is not right. We are tired. I'm using this forum to ventilate for the people of Portmore because guess what? We see that you're using the security forces as your personal whims and fancies when people talk, trying to suppress freedom of free speech. And today, let history record the 13th of February that we're standing up for justice. We're standing up for what is right, Mr. Mr. Holness. Mr. Holness, I am sure where you live in close proximity.
If it's one thing that I can say about my country, Jamaica, is that we have the best set of leaders that anyone could ever ask for. You don't believe me? Look at this.
$1.5 million to promote gays, lesbians, and trans in Jamaica. Jamaican me crazy.
USAID awarded $1.5 million to fund strengthening community support structures to upscale LGBT rights advocacy in Jamaica. Does this advance our interests?
No.
No. No position.
You see that? So while we have very bad roads to drive on, every week we have to change bushing because the road them not leveling enough and all up at all. So I look out you all of your front end pass them every week, right? And while 88% of our students are failing in the education system, right? And while our healthcare system is in dire need of some basic things like bed, people don't have bed to sleep in the hospital. The government cared about the people of Jamaica so much that these people accepted $1.5 million USD from the USAID to fund men fucking body. And while we are such a deficit and so many things, basic things, that this country need, the government side fitting to accept 1.5 million USD, of course, to fund women eating other women's pussy. Let us not be alarmed by these language that I use, but let's be real and rational. LGBT stand for lesbian. Lesbian suck pussy. Bisexual, people who suck pussy and fuck body at the same time. Gay, these are the men, and a body they fuck. T, transgender. Transgender. So you see that one I know? It's the people can teach up in a school, you little boys, how to become girls. I want you to come out, Mr. Holness, just as though you have denied everything else that they say about you that doesn't fit well with you, because the public should not find out these atrocious things about you, sir. Just as though you deny the fact that you stole the money. I mean, you come out and deny, say, yo, we never take the money from them to teach about every fuck party. May I ask a question? This is the question that the lady asked. Do you think that these things are in the interest of advancing America? Let me ask you this. Do you think that accepting 1.5 million USD is in the interest of advancing Jamaica? What is it that is so important about a man a fuck or a next man of them asshole? You know, go on in your room and go fuck man if you want. What you need for you teach people over to that. Why do they have a minister of gender? We never have that one time when we grew up. We know about youth and culture. That's the ministry I know about. How come to have a minister of gender? So you tell me some people don't know whether that them are male or female? A man can grow up and realize who them have say him is a man, and a woman can realize them have a vagina and say them is a woman. But you need a minister, for that. Eh? Virgin, let me tell you this, you know. You have to choose which side you stand for, because you can't eat with God and the devil at the same time, you know, my boss. You understand what I deal with? And if a them thing they are going to bring in the country, bro, a whole heap of evil and devilish behavior that, you know. The devil is the ultimate batty boy, you know. You understand what I deal with? And let me tell you something, my lion. The next thing, me I tell you straight, so me I pray you. Big man to you, me I talk, Mr. Andrew Wallace, my prime minister, me I pray you. Because they say the watchman is this as bad as the thief, sir. That's what I heard. Have you ever heard that? That's what they said. The watchman is this as bad as the thief. If I'm stealing something and somebody stand up outside, I watch to see police are come and the owner for the house are come. Are they better than I am? You're accepting money to teach your people things about LGBT? Why? What is it that is so important about men fucking men? Is that advancing our country in any way, shape or form, sir? Why didn't you tell these people that it's better give me the money to fix the roads? It's better give me the money to invest in our education system. It's better give me the money to invest in our healthcare system. Why didn't you say that? Have you no balls, sir? Where are your balls? Big man thing. You can't say no. You can't say no. Eh? Let me tell you how to treat the country like. You know them scatter girl? We take one bag of money for every man, them have 10 man, this a man pay for ear, this a man pay for nails, this a man pay for rent, this a man pay for clothes, this a man pay for that. That's why not on Jamaica and our big scattel. So anytime every nation buy a piece of uno, every nation pay for something. So anytime them turn to you and say, I want to fuck now, you cannot say no. You cannot say no. Stop selling out the country, man. What's so hard in that? You can't hold on for your dignity, man. You can't hold on your dignity. Eh? The Bible says good character is better than precious ointments, man. Hold on for the dignity, virgin. And every half of them come with man, and accept it. And everything when you sell out the country for virgin. What the bumper ass slat you want to go about there teach people LGBTQ for? Alright, watch this now. I'm sure I say, Una is no leader, Una follower, not just some big follower. Watch this. Donald Trump coming now, and he's going to denounce this word transgender LGBT. He's not paying no attention to it because him, sensibly enough, strange, he's sensible enough to realize that these things are not contributing to any advancing of my country. These things are just a burden to the country. Unnecessary spending. People spend billions of dollars on body people. Billions. You see? I bet you say, you're not going to push the agenda anymore. Anything America do, anything they said, I tell you no, we not treat Jamaica like a skettle. Not treat Jamaica like a skettle. Anything, anytime a country say you want to fuck now, you cannot say no. You could have take that $1.5 million and boost the police them pay. Give police them little more money for their money, man. Them deserve it, you know. Some of them, not all. Some of them are ready to make them money a road. You understand me not talk about corrupt on them, not like corrupt police. See? And they don't like me neither. Yeah, man. But you could have used the money there for do a whole lot of things, my brother. You could have used the money for do a whole lot of things. Say, yo, watch you know? That's why I forever rate Bruce Golding. I'm in a business. I start up any political party. JLP and PNP. None of them. But me forever rate Bruce Golding. Because the man stand 10 toes in firm and say, yo, watch out, nothing my care, better than my boss. Because you just don't believe in it, it's not a part of your culture. The man said that is not necessarily a way I think I want my country to go. We have other things to worry about. Why you couldn't take a page out of that book, man? Eh? I want you to come out, sir, and deny the fact that your administration accepted 1.5 million USD to promote LGBT advocacy in Jamaica. Come out and deny it, just like you say, I lie them a tell. Put your bank account, them I lie them a tell, you sue Jamaica feed. The Prime Minister, my God have mercy, the Prime Minister, a sue. Can you imagine? You know how that look for you? If you've not go, do you know how that look for you, sir, to the public? Eh? Your PR team never talk to you. And I know. Me I just want to look at Rasta boy. I'm not qualified to say these things, but that should highlight your incompetencies. Because if one like a Rasta boy can come out and realize these things, we never gone to university and can realize these things are flawed, how is it that you, this bright man, cannot recognize that? You recognize, man, these things are done purposely. It hurt my heart every single time I see people run up and down back out. Out of everything that you could have accepted money to do for Jamaica, you accepted money to promote LGBTQ in Jamaica. What is so fucking important about woman and a woman pussy and man a fuck man under them asshole and a put man out in their mouth? What's so important about that, sir? Is that advancing our country in any way, shape or form? Answer that question. Yes or no. Does LGBTQ people advance our country in any way, shape or form? Man a fuck man. Tell me how that contribute to society. You know say you know want to buy a set of people. This what they call them, the people them we have them group. What them name? The J people them. The JJ people them in Jamaica. J flag or whatever them name. This is a group of people, you know, including men, who are openly telling people that they're gay. Booger is illegal in Jamaica. So if a man come out and say I'm gay, he must confess to a crime because he must tell us a fuck party. Why are they not being arrested? If a man form a group now and he's a bad man and tell us, yo, watch out, the whole of we are gunman. We not go infiltrate them because they are doing something illegal. Fucking body is illegal because of unnecessary in the Constitution. So why are you not paying attention to that? Eh? This by design. The watchman is this as bad as the thief. This as bad as the thief. Just know that. That's what I heard since growing up. So I don't know how to accept money to promote Batman and then I try to say on the street.
Ball out! Whoa! Yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out. From Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody, man or woman,